So I came to the Tunbridge Wells Food and Drink Festival to work with Joe Banks from Alive with Flavour. I also was on the live stage with Matthew doing a live demo. It's really good fun. I love having the mic and going up on stage and doing my bits.
I'm doing tuna arrabbiata, which is basically spicy tuna pasta, and the spice is added on the table at the end.
I'm Alex, my business is Feed the Brood. It's food ideas and recipes for busy parents to walk through the door and have lots and lots of quick hacks and fixes. It's quick, it's easy, it's food from scratch. The master plan is a recipe book, but it's not just any recipe book, it's a meal plan. Every week there are 2 big effort meals, and a big effort meal would be like your lasagna, your bolognese, something that you make, or curry, something that you make with a lot of effort, and you stand and you stir or whatever. And I try and make them as short and sweet as possible. And then a rapid recipe is trying to be a 10 or 15 minute operation where you just get through the door, literally probably still in your work clothes, and you've got food on the table for the family. Finding cooking stressful, especially for a busy family, this is a really easy way to get a meal plan that's ready made for you. Good food, super fast.